Welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tow News. Tonight we've got some breaking news for you.
Hi.
Hi there.
Hi, welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tow. We have some great news.
Yay!
What's the news? I forgot what it is.
We've hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, we've finally hit 1,000 subscribers. A massive milestone.
Wow.
Something that we never thought we'd get there when we started this, did we?
No.
But we just thought we'd just let everybody know, and we'd just like to say thank you to everybody.
Yeah, massive thank you to everyone who's been with us from the beginning and has joined us on the route and still with us. We really appreciate it. So thank you.
Yeah. Lots more great videos to come.
Mhm.
And we just, as I say, just thank you for watching and sticking with us, and hopefully we can grow and expand and bring lots more fun videos to everybody.
Yeah. Take care, guys, in
Yeah.
the meantime.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey Ho Let's Tow has reached 1,000 subscribers.